Hello and welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name's Caitlin. I'm the owner and maker behind Little Women Creations. Today's video is going to be a crochet with me. I'm currently in the parking lot at JoAnn Fabric. I'll turn you around here. I'm here to spend and use some gift cards that I have, and if you've seen some of my previous videos, you know that I'm really wanting to make the Beth Sweater by Maddie Denmark, and so I'm here to get some yarn. So let's go yarn shopping and then let's make this sweater. Alright, so I've decided on getting some Lion brand Wool-Ease Thick and Quick. Now I just needed to choose a color. I'm really drawn to this. It's called Succulent. It's a lot more green than what's coming up. It doesn't help that my sweatshirt is blue. But I really like that one. I also am really liking this Arctic Ice. I like the pink in it, but I love these orangey, burnt orange colors. What exactly is this one called? Butterscotch. I really like this color, but I don't think I would wear it enough. I don't know. There's like a nice selection. Ooh, or there's this one. That one's really pretty. Ideally, I think I would want this. Right, because I need to get a bulky 6, but I need almost 700 meters. And there's only 3, and this only has 118. So I think I'm just gonna have to get the Woolies. Although I did see there is like a natural blend by Big Twist down here, but it's only this gray. So anyway, let's figure out which color I'm gonna get. So I'm back in the car. It was a successful JoAnn trip. I did not get any Woolies Thick and Quick because I realized that there were only 80-ish meters in each skein, and the colors that I really liked, there were not enough quantities. So at first I was gonna pass on just getting yarn in general, but then they had in the center aisles, they had some yarn in like those cardboard boxes, and I found some goodies. So let's just do a quick yarn haul. I did use both of my gift cards, and then I also spent $15, but these are the Bernat Forever Fleece. It is closer to like a weight 5. It's a lot thinner than the Wool-Ease, but it is listed down here as a weight 6. So I got 4 colors in White Noise. All of them have 177 meters, so 4 should be plenty, because that's just shy of 800 meters, which should be more than enough. But since it's a little thinner, I don't know. I guess we'll see. Anyway, so I got 4 in White Noise, And because I couldn't decide, I also got 4 in the color Branch, which I don't know why. I think that's just really funny that they called it Branch. Anyway, I'm really excited. They're super soft, which was why I was drawn to them, but they were on sale. They're normally $11.99, and they were on sale for $8.99. But they are 100% polyester, which I was trying to find the respun. I didn't know if they had a thicker respun, but sir. I think these will do. I'm really excited. I'm really excited on it. Honestly, I might just start it when I get home. But anyway. Let's get back home and maybe start this. I don't know. I haven't worked out today, and I probably should. So maybe we'll work out and then do it. See you soon. So this is progress after the first day. It is inside out. You can see the seam and stuff on top here. If you zoom in, you can see the seam and stuff. I really like it so far. It's a little short on the top, so I have like my shorts pulled up, right? It's like my midriff. I think I have that the ribbon's gonna be like 7 centimeters, so it might come down a little bit. Otherwise, what I'll do is I'll just continue to crochet down another inch or so. And that was probably my fault for not measuring it right, but I really like the feel so far. At first, as I've been working with this Bernat Fleece, Forever Fleece, here it is, it's been feeling heavy, but it doesn't feel heavy on. You can see like my skin colors peeking through, which is fine, but I'll probably have to wear some sort of slip underneath it, and that most likely, I probably could have prevented it if I used a smaller hook, but using the 9mm with this is going really fast. As you can see, this is night 1. Goal is probably gonna be to finish up this sleeve, get the cuff on, and then start the next sleeve. But yeah, so you can see my little hack here is to put the stitch marker in on your last stitch and pull it tight, and that prevents your project from unraveling. Just a little tip for you. This is kind of an awkward angle because I want to be able to look in the mirror without my hands, so you're on a tripod. So I'm going to talk in the mirror. But this is the sweater so far. I really like it. I am going to add probably 2 more rows before the ribbing on the bottom. The neck I specifically made a little bigger because I want to be able to roll it down, and I might actually, maybe I'll roll it in because I really want it to hug my neck. Yeah, I'll figure that out. But yeah, oh wait. We'll see, I might roll it in. And oh, my hair's getting caught in it now. Yeah, I like that better. Maybe? I don't know, it's kind of hard. I did leave a long enough end to like sew it around if I want to. But I really love it so far. I really like the construction of it. It is still kind of a little holey, so I'm definitely gonna have to wear something underneath it. But yeah, I love the cuffs. Oh, there's a knot that I need to hide. Yeah, I really like how it looks. It feels so nice. I'm sure as I wear it, it'll get hot. So we'll see. Move my hair. Yeah, this is the back. Really cute. Oh, hi, Riley. Someone decided to come in and say hi. So yeah, so I'll add a couple two more rows down here, and then the ribbing, and I think it'll be done. I'm so excited. I'll figure out the top too, so yay!